Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係林執事 Joseph Lin。又要來教一些諺語嗎？有嗎？你今天有準備嗎？
今天有。
好，那今天要教大家的諺語是，
今天要教大家的是搞官窮、搞鬼死、搞牛翻的饲料米。
聽起來好搞怪哦。
對，就是搞來搞去。
對啊，就搞怪呢，是什麼東西？來一段一段來解釋一下。
第一段，搞官窮，
搞官窮
就是很窮的意思。
教什麼東西很窮
啊？就是跟官員交往。
對哈，
這個意思就是說以前的當官就是有錢有勢啊，你跟他們交往啊，要交際應酬啊，要花錢就窮了啊。
Okay, so the first part means if you associate yourself with politicians, you're going to lose your money because you have to do a lot of lunches and dinners together with them. Okay, 那第二段呢是教
搞鬼死，
教什麼會死？
教什麼會死？就是教鬼會死。
The second part means if you associate yourself with ghosts and demons, you're going to lose your life. Okay, that's kind of obvious. 那最後一段呢？
搞牛翻的飼料米。
搞牛翻嘞飼料米，
他就是讲说以前有一種職業就是買賣牛隻的人，然後他們會到一個村莊啊，一個村莊去買賣，就是一定要在鄉下啊，所以他們吃飯的地方就比較不容易，所以他通常都會找他朋友家。
對，吃白飯咯，
吃倒了。
Interesting ending to this proverb. If you make friends with cattle traders back in the days, because they travel around so much, they're going to hang out at your house, they're going to eat dinner, they're going to eat lunch at your house, and they're going to eat you away, basically. 所以这整个隐喻是要提醒大家什么呢？
就是提醒说，你交朋友啊，真的要小心啊！你交了什么朋友啊，你就会有什么结果啊。
是 Okay, so this whole proverb is actually teaching us a lesson that you have to select your friends or select who you associate carefully because whoever you associate with will have certain consequences. Let's hear the full explanation in English.
Associate with officials and lose your money. Associate with demons and lose your life. Associate with cattle traders and eat away from home. Social engagements with an official can prove extremely costly. Exposure to demons could be fatal. And the itinerant lifestyle of cattle traders sees them eating in the homes of various friends. The meaning of the saying is simple. Choose your friends carefully, as they can influence your whole life.
And how do you say the whole proverb again in Hakka?
搞官窮、搞鬼死、搞牛翻的飼料米。
And there you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.